Imagine it is 2026, your sink is leaking, and YouTube never existed. You search, how do I fix a leaking sink? Instead of a calm 2-minute tutorial, Google gives you a 14-page article written by somebody who begins with their childhood. By page 9, your kitchen is underwater. That is our world after one change. In February 2005, 3 former PayPal employees never launched YouTube. No website, no upload button. And me at the zoo is just a man at the zoo. But online video does not disappear. Google Video was already alive. It could search television, and by the summer of 2005, regular people could upload and watch videos in a browser. So without YouTube, Google sees an empty lane and floors it. Google Video becomes the internet's main video site. It has television clips, news, music videos, and eventually user uploads. It works, it is organized, it is powerful. And it has all the personality of a printer settings menu. Viral videos still happen, but they spread through MySpace pages, message boards, blogs, and suspicious emails from your uncle. There is no one homepage deciding what the entire internet watches today. Culture becomes more scattered. One group is laughing at a dancing cat while another group has absolutely no idea that cat exists. The bigger change comes in 2007. In our timeline, YouTube began paying popular creators a share of advertising money. That helped turn uploading videos from a hobby into an actual career. Without that system, the word YouTuber never becomes a job. People still make comedy sketches, beauty tutorials, reactions, and gaming videos, but fewer can afford to do it full-time. Internet fame exists. The creator economy just grows slower, smaller, and under much more control from television networks and record labels. Justin Bieber's performance videos may still land on MySpace or Vimeo. Maybe he is still discovered. But one manager accidentally finding the right clip becomes a lot less likely when everybody's videos are scattered across 10 different websites. Then smartphones arrive, and the internet refuses to stay boring. Facebook becomes the home for personal videos. Vimeo owns filmmaking. Twitch grows around live gaming. Vine still teaches everyone to be funny in 6 seconds. And TikTok eventually attacks everybody's attention span. Instead of one giant video library, every type of video gets its own app. Want a tutorial? Search Google Video. Want gaming? Open Twitch. Want music? Pay a streaming service. Want to lose 45 minutes watching a stranger restore a rusty toaster? Sorry, that very specific miracle may never happen. By 2026, creators have to upload the same video to 5 different platforms because none of them reaches everybody. Videos are shorter, trends die faster, and old internet moments disappear whenever an app shuts down. There are a few benefits. Maybe we spend less time falling into 3-hour recommendation rabbit holes. Maybe students finish their homework, maybe. But the internet also loses its giant visual memory. The tutorials, obscure game walkthroughs, old interviews, fan videos, and random moments people uploaded because they could. And here is the twist. A world without YouTube does not stay without YouTube forever. The demand is too big, somebody eventually builds another universal video platform. But if it arrives after smartphones and short-form video take over, it is not designed around searching and choosing. It is designed around swiping. So the true replacement for YouTube may not be Google Video. It may be TikTok, with longer videos, live streams, tutorials, and a feed deciding what the world sees next. YouTube disappearing would not kill internet video. It would create an internet with more apps, fewer shared moments, and an even more powerful algorithm. Would that world be better, or would we just waste time vertically instead? Subscribe to One Change for more stories where one decision rewrites everything.